Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your speaker JBL Charge 6 in the application. You have to start by open JBL Portable application and then go to product information at the bottom. In the second line we have renaming product, you need to tap on it. And right here we have a line with a name, so tap on it also and write something. Let's say I wanna add lol and I can't more symbols. So right here you have a limit. The best one, you click save and it tells you that you need to unpair your speaker to apply this new name. So you close it and then we go to the settings, then Bluetooth. Click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device and then click Bluetooth button at the top of your speaker. Now tap on your speaker here and as you can see, firstly it showed like lol, but now it changed to previous name. But in the application we have this new name. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!